Today, I'm going to show you how to make an annoying noise maker. So, you can use a big piece of paper or a small piece of paper that I used ago. So, if you're going to use a small piece of paper, I'm just going to use this. What you need to do, I'm just going to get this up like that. Okay. What you need to do is just get one of the corners and fold it in to make a little triangle. So, like that. It should look like this, like some weird rocket thingy. So, what you're going to do is you just get where that triangle was, get it, and fold it backwards. Then you can flick or cut that off. This triangle will be a square. So, yeah. Now you have this. Oops. This thing, which is also a square. So what you're going to do is just fold it. Then you're just going to get these things right here and fold it back a little bit if you have a small piece of paper. So now I'm just going to you get a piece of paper, you get some scissors and you cut a triangle. But I don't have any scissors, so I'm just going to tear a piece off that almost looks like a triangle. So all I did was I just tore upward. Then I went on the other side and tore upward. Then I have these little circles. So what you're gonna do with these triangles on the side is you just open them up, and what you do is you put your fingers right up like that, and then wait, how do you do it? I forgot. Oh yeah, you do it like this. You put your fingers on, and then you just put your mouth at it and just do